が、検索で、千駄ヶ谷の富士塚を調べると出てきます。本物の富士山に登ったようにご利益があるみたいです。じゃあ登ってみようかな。登ってみようかなだったら。How much would the train ticket cost? Let's see. From 渋谷 to 渋谷駅渋谷 station 渋谷 station to ボロ市 The train trip The bus trip takes 230 yen 230 yen if I took bus そう230円バスだったら230 yen if I went with bus そうです230 yen and it only takes 27 minutes 27分間 so 27 minutes and only 230 yen with bus I rode bicycle it took me 1 hour 1 hour to get there It's only supposed to take 23 minutes with bicycle, but it took me 1 hour to get there. With bicycle, so it costed me 430 yen. 残念. I should have just called bus. I kind of regret. Yeah. Like only like half the price and half the price and half the time